Tensions between Pakistan and Afghanistan have escalated following a deadly attack on Chinese engineers. Pakistani authorities have implicated Afghan nationals and militants based in Afghanistan, while Afghanistan's Taliban government denies involvement, highlighting the complex dynamics between the neighboring nations. On March 26, 5 Chinese nationals and a Pakistani driver were killed after a suicide attacker rammed his explosive-laden vehicle into their convoy in northwest Pakistan's Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province. The incident happened when the convoy was in its way from Islamabad to Dasu, the site of a key hydroelectric dam being constructed by a Chinese company. On May 7, Pakistan's military said that the attack was planned in neighboring Afghanistan and that the bomber was also an Afghan national. In a news conference, Pakistani military spokesman Major General Ahmad Sharif said that the car used in the attack was also prepared in Afghanistan. He further added that the 4 main suspects of the plot to target the Chinese engineers have been arrested.
एक अंधोनाक वाकया 26 मार्च 2024 को सुबह खैबर पख्तूनख्वा के इलाके बिशाम में पेश आया, जहां दासू डैम पर काम करने वाले चीनी इंजीनियर्स की गाड़ी को खुदकुश हमलावर ने निशाना बनाया, जिसके नतीजे में 5 चीनी बाशिंदे और एक पाकिस्तानी लुकमा अजल बन गए। इस खुदकुश हमले की कड़ियां भी सरहद पार से जा मिलती हैं। इस हमले की मनसूबाबंदी अफ़गानिस्तान में की गई थी। दहशतगर्द उसके सहूलतकारों का कंट्रोल भी अफ़गानिस्तान से किया जा रहा था और खुदकुश बमबार भी अफ़गान शहरी था।
Relations between Pakistan and Afghanistan have soared in recent months, with Islamabad saying the Taliban-run administration in Kabul is not doing enough to tackle militant groups targeting Pakistan.
अफ़गानिस्तान की सरजमीन इस्तेमाल करके TTP के दहशतगर्द मुसलसल पाकिस्तान में दहशतगर्दी की कार्रवाइयाँ करते हैं। इस हवाले से पाकिस्तान ने ठोस शवाहिद भी पेश किए, मगर ताहाल उस पर कोई मुस्बत पेशरफ्त दिखाई नहीं दे रही। हालिया दहशतगर्द के वाक़यात के ताने बाने और शवाहिद अफ़गानिस्तान में मौजूद दहशतगर्दों की पनाहगाहों तक जाते हैं।
The Taliban Defense Ministry has rejected Pakistan's allegations that Afghans were involved in an attack on Chinese engineers. Reacting to the allegation, Taliban government said the blaming Afghanistan for such incidents is a failed attempt to divert attention from the truth of the matter. This strain in relations underscores the complex dynamics between the two neighboring countries. Last year, Pakistan expelled over 3 lakh undocumented Afghan nationals, saying the majority of suicide attacks against its security forces were carried out by Afghans. The complexities of the situation highlight the intricate dynamics between Afghanistan and Pakistan, which have been historically fraught with challenges ranging from border disputes to accusations of harboring militants. Such incidents not only strain bilateral relations but also have broader implications for regional stability, particularly given Afghanistan's strategic location as a crossroads for various interests and influences.